Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about Venn diagrams, which usually you can find on the different IQ tests, and also this is going to be one of the first things that you're going to learn during your, for example, statistics class. Venn diagram uses overlapping circles or other shapes to illustrate the logical relationships between two or more sets of items. Often they also serve to graphically organize things, highlighting how the items are similar or different. So I recommend you to pause video here and try to find which set of objects is represented by the Venn diagram below. So which variant to choose. So how we analyze such Venn diagram? Here we have one circle and three unique objects which is here. Here's another circle, but one unique object that belongs to this circle, and two which has properties of both this circle and this circle, so this makes these two objects unique. And we also have two objects that is outside these two circles and doesn't belong to these circles and these objects and has their own properties. Take a look. Here we should have three objects which are green and which are not triangle, because the circle stands for triangles. So three properties: green, they have to be three, and they shouldn't be triangles. And we have these three green squares that perfectly fits this description. So let's put them here. So they go here in this circle. Now what we should find here? One object which is triangle and which is not green. And this is going to be this red triangle. So one such unique object. Now here is a question: what we should put here in the middle, whether these two green triangles or these two red squares. And actually logic is as follows. So these two objects have to be green, and at the same time they have to be triangle. That's why these two green triangles go here. And lastly, these two objects, they shouldn't be green like objects in this circle. They shouldn't be triangle like objects in this circle. And by the way, we don't have any other options. So this have to be these two red squares that go here. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.